What we have new this year at the American Speed Festival is the American Speed Festival Challenge. And what that consists of is the gentlemen's division, which is the ASF Challenge Cup, and the ladies division, which is the Stiletto Shootout. They're going to drive each day, Friday and Saturday, of our speed ring. They're going to get approximately 7 laps, and then the best lap on Friday combined with the best lap on Saturday are going to determine the 3 podium finishers.
My name is Melissa Kazera. I'm driving the Ferrari 296, number 108. We're excited to be here at M1. I actually started my racing on track here at M1, kind of evolved from there. And this year actually is when I just transitioned into actual racing. So I've had 6 races and I have 3 trophies. So hopefully I can get another one with the Stiletto Cup this weekend.
Hey, I'm Bill Cazzaro with Wilco Racing. We're at the M1 Concourse, and I just completed my 2nd trial of the American Speed Festival Challenge Cup. I think I had a pretty good time. I hope I can podium, but I've been racing since about 2015. I raced today a Porsche GT3 Cup car 992 generation, and it's just a great car to drive on the track. This is the first year that M1's had the Challenge Cup, which is a kind of a track attack time trial for men in one class and women in another class. So I was proud to be one of the original founding buyers of a garage here at M1. It's a great facility, great community. This is a great track, and I'm really excited to be part of everything that's going on here at the American Speed Festival 2024.
They're going to be awarded, and announced on Sunday during our Speed and Style Expo. Going to be up on the Center Sky deck. We have the podium up there, and we're going to have the champagne celebration. I wouldn't miss it.